I just got 2 new squishies, so let me show you. First, I got the new butter one. Let's do a little ASMR. I kind of rushed it, so that's why you kind of hear some soap and stuff. Oh, there's soap coming out. What is happening? Alright, there we go. I hate the smell of this, but it's still really good. Like, it's really good. Next, my brother just got me this new gummy bear Nido. It's crazy. He just surprised me with it. Want ASMR? Well, thank you guys for watching me. Bye!